Hello again. I'm pleased to report this past quarter has demonstrated once again the proactive and creative approach taken by the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center. Launched this quarter, and what is planned to be offered on a quarterly basis, is the So You Want to Start a Business workshop. This education session is designed to offer the basic rudiments of what is needed to get a business off the ground, along with a presentation from an entrepreneur who has been successful in this effort. The first session was attended by over 30 would-be entrepreneurs who not only found the information to be important, but the testimonial from the business owner to be what connects the dots, so to speak, from idea to reality. The workshop will be offered every quarter in each of the center's outreach areas. Stay tuned for more information. It's hard to believe the Pro Bono Legal Services Program is about now 2 years old. A recognition breakfast was held for the firms currently participating in the program, and these being Littler and Associates, K&L Gates, Eckert Siemens, Elliott and Davis, Ascensio Hall, Denton's, and recently joining the group, Reed Smith. This program serves to offer legal services to entrepreneurs at no cost and who are in a business evolution where such assistance is needed. We all know these days that traditional approaches to marketing are long gone. Replacing the knock on the door is digital outbound marketing, where focus is placed on the business, the owner, and the product services being offered. Our brand new video podcast series called Bridges to Business offers monthly podcasts whereby small businesses will be highlighted in an interview type setting, where items that will be addressed will include such topics as what makes for success, what makes for failure, what would you do differently, etc. The opportunity will give the small business community the ability to hear from the horse's mouth, so to speak, on what makes for a successful business. Our first podcast episode was published on June 11th and featured our client, Cookies Ice Cream. The full episode can be found on both our YouTube channel as well as on Spotify. I'm pleased to announce that the SBDC now has an on-site presence with the Hill District CDC. The SBDC and the CDC now jointly work on and produce programs and services to enhance the economic development of the small business community in the Hill and Uptown areas of Pittsburgh. The CDC and Duquesne share common ground, and it is natural for both to work with each other to further enhance economic development in the area. Finally, joining the business consulting staff is Cindy Oliver. Cindy, who previously worked as a business consultant with the SBDC, had a life situation occur where she had to leave, but now is able to come back. She brings extensive economic development, experience, and contacts, both which will greatly enhance the small business community. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope you find these updates meaningful and useful. Talk with you next quarter.